It is 8:10 in the morning time on this Thursday morning, February 2nd, 2023. Direct mod news of Norton. There's a Peter Channel morning news for this Thursday morning, February 2nd, 2023. At the bone of the all this lovely Thursday morning, February 2nd, 2023. It's Groundhog Day. 19 degrees in North Massachusetts today. Expect high of 37 here. The headlines at 8:10 for this Thursday morning. And our top story at 8:10 is Biden McCarthy meeting yields no deficit deal. That speaker says market should be able to hold on. U.S. military gate expected excess of Philippines basin threats to counter China. Winter weather updates. Ice storm slams. Texas power outages pile up. Newly released African-American study sidesteps DeSantis criticism. As ice storm continues to spin out parts of the Northeast, brace for a brutal wind chills not felt in decades. Vice President Kamala Harris and Reverend Al Sharpton in their family honor tired Nichols at his funeral. Russia strikes Kremlin's Christmas warnings of new offensive in eastern Ukraine. Mexico zoo director stole dozens of animals, fed goats to staffers. King Charles will not appear on the new Australia $5 note. 2 reasons beta stock has exploded 20% after a whopper earnings miss. India stock market anxiety shares fell after flagship firm pulls equity sale. Bank of England raises rates to 4% its 10th straight increase. The United States announced defectors say young host South Korea should have its own nukes. North Korea warns of nuke for nuke reaction of the U.S. South Korea air drills. The FBI found no classified documents following a search for President Joe Biden's vacation home in Roby Beach, Delaware on Wednesday. SpaceX successfully launches 53 Starlink satellites. Republican AGs warned Walgreens CVS over bail abortion pills. Area lawmaker files bill after Mansfield women's date rape drug experience in Boston. North Attleboro is again moving toward the next step again at the new high school as the town council of North Attleboro requested $2 million for high school feasibility study. Attleboro this year is a big year for the Attleboro Arts Museum. It's turned 100 and the flower show is returning in March. Talk My MCA fills serious teen nutrition gap with free hot meals. Police seek former employee Buck the Double and tree shooting. Francis Redwell's murderer dies days after being granted parole. Developer pitches $200 million project at 485 units at Braintree Mall. Plymouth service surprised with $4,000 tip. Look at that. Stocks today up 6.92 at 34.0, 92.96 and S&P 500 up 42.61 at 41.19.21 and NASDAQ up 231.37 at 11.8 16.32. Peter Joel News Time 8:13 time now for a sports report. Doc Metzer's ice hockey team clobbered the Bellland Blackhawks at Foxborough Sports Center last night 9-3. And last night, Boston Bruins beat the Toronto Maple Leafs 5-2, and the Boston Celtics clobbered the Brooklyn Nets 139-96. Other NBA scores, it is Philadelphia 76ers 105, Orlando Magic 194, Portland Trail Blazers 122, Memphis Grizzlies 112, Houston Rockets 112, Oklahoma City Thunder 106, Minnesota Timberwolves 119, Golden State Warriors 114, Sacramento Kings 119, San Antonio Spurs 109, Utah Jazz 131, Toronto Raptors 128, and Atlanta Hawks 132, Phoenix Suns 100. NHL scores in West Carolina 5, Buffalo 1, Men's College Basketball, Purdue 80, Penn State 60, Xavier 85, Providence 83, Founded North Top, Auburn 94, Georgia 73, Florida 67, Tennessee 54, Pittsburgh 65, UNC 64, Bradley 62, SIU 52, Marquette 73, Villanova 64, Missouri 87, LSU 77, North Carolina State 94, Florida State 66, Oklahoma State 71, Oklahoma 61, it's Utah State 84, New Mexico 73, Women's College Basketball Villanova 73, Marquette 54, Connecticut 64, Providence 54, Texas 69, West Virginia 56, Ohio State 90, Wisconsin 67, and Kansas State 78, Iowa State 77, Indiana 77, Minnesota 54. Children's time is 8:15. Time now for traffic and trends to check on this Thursday afternoon, baby! On this Thursday morning, baby! On the MBTA Rockwood Line Train 101, 6:35 a.m. from North Station's operate 5 minutes Bianca between North Station and Rockford to the Lake of Robert Equipment and Newburyport Line Train 144, 6:54 a.m. from Newburyport's operate 5 minutes Bianca between North Maryland and North Station and Rockwood Line Train 103, 7:47 a.m. from North Station's operate 5 minutes Bianca between North Station and Rockford to the signal issue. Providence Line Train 804, 6:15 a.m. from Providence operate 5 minutes Bianca between Texas Central Falls and the Edinburgh to the signal issue. And now looking at the how is it Byways New England? 95 the southbound side, so between Texas and Providence. 95 northbound side, so between Crescent and Providence. 195 westbound side, so between Seacock to the east Providence. 146 southbound, so at Route 95 and downtown Providence. 610 connector, so between Route 6 and 95 downtown Providence. 138 eastbound side, so Newport Bridge. 185 eastbound side, so over the Fall River area, and before 140 into Bedford. Out of the Cape, it's looking good. 95 and the 24 northbound side, so before 128 at 95 northbound, those are Route 1 in Sharon. Route 3 at the northbound side, so the Breakthrough Split 7 Expressway and northbound side, so between Breakthrough Split down to Dorchester. 128 at the northbound side, so between 28 and Randolph, all the way down to Route 135 in Needham. And then here between Route 9 and Wellesley, and then down to Route 20 Waltham. 128 at the northbound side, so between PB Swift. 128 southbound, so between Linfield, over down to Lexington. 93 southbound side, so between Soda down to Boston. Route 1 southbound, so between River down to Boston. 7 slow, Cal is looking good. Mass Pike westbound side, so between Loader Airport down to South Boston, and Pike eastbound, so between Dana Colorado down on the Allsburg tolls. 3 southbound side, a little bit slow around Route 128 in Burlington. 93 southbound, so the Red Stretch. 495 northbound side, so between Hopkins down to Route down to Westburg. 298 eastbound side, so between 146 and Route 122 to Worcester. 91 southbound side, those on the North Hopkins Stretch. Mass Pike eastbound, so at 291 in Springfield. 84 eastbound side, so West Norfolk, Connecticut. Ready? Southbound side, low so between Trumbull down to Bridgeport. 85 southbound, so between Newark down to Greenwich. Merritt Parkway, westbound, so between Trumbull down to New Canaan. And Northern New England Highways are looking good. Children's time is 8:17. Down now for weather report. High pressure supports breezy but tranquil weather today, and then article front. Interested in dangerous cold Friday into Saturday. A few snow squalls maybe proceed, and accompany the Arctic front early Friday, followed by some ocean effect snow showers across Cape Cod Friday night and the early Saturday. Temperatures rebound quickly Sunday. Will continue warm trend in early next week as temperatures are sitting in the teens and low trends this morning with cobwebs for a time. Forecast is on track. Wait. Looking at the forecast goes like this. Partly sunny skies, then coast covered sunny skies about 37 degrees. Light southwest wind increase at 5 to 10 miles in the morning. Whiskey skies, 30 miles an hour for today. Slight chance of snow showers after 4 a.m. Mostly clear skies, about 15 degrees. Southwest about 9 miles an hour, just mentioned 20%. Friday, slight chance of snow showers between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. Sun sky about 10 to followed by 8 by 5 p.m. Wind chill as low as double most of the wind. The northwest wind 13, 22 miles an hour skies. 32 miles an hour, just mentions 20% Friday night. Mostly clear skies, low about 6 above to 6 below, and wind chill as low as 26 below. Blustery wind with the northwest wind 17, 24 miles an hour skies. 36 miles an hour for Saturday. Mostly sun sky at 16, low 12 above. West wind about 14 to 16 miles an hour for Sunday. Mostly cloud sky at 44, low 31 degrees. Breeze to the southwest about 17, 23 miles an hour, 34 miles an hour for Monday. Mostly sun sky at 43, low 33 degrees. Northwest about 9 to 14 miles an hour. And for Tuesday, mostly cloud sky at 48, low 40 degrees. South wind about 6 to 16 miles an hour. And for Wednesday, check the showers. Mostly cloud sky at 51 degrees. West wind about 16 miles an hour. Just mentioned 30% without knocked. 23 degrees, and that's going to be the Peter Cholo Morning News on this January February 2nd, 2023 on a Thursday. Peter Wiggins, if you have a good morning, hey dude, stay safe, be positive, be healthy, well, have a good day, and a good morning.